So I'm going to teach you a breathing technique called Kapalibhati, which is straight from the scriptures, the yoga scriptures, and it's traditionally a cleaning exercise. So physically it's going to help clear the pollutants that can get stuck in the bottom of the lungs. But also it's known as a heat-inducing breath, and it's focused on the solar plexus. So it's going to be physically warming, and it kind of gets you into that sense of strong because it tunes you into your core muscles. How to go about it is I want you to imagine, you know those birthday cake candles where you blow the candle and it just goes out again? Have you ever experienced one of those? You blow the candle and it goes out and then it just comes back immediately. I want you to imagine you've got one of those in front of you. If you want to use your hand to have that as your imaginary candle, if that helps you, then use your hand. And you're blowing it out and it keeps coming back, but you're blowing it out through your nose, not your mouth. So it's going to be a little bit like this. Now I want you to watch my belly as I show you and watch what's going on. So if I've got my candle, I'll have my candle here. Can you see? It's all going on here, nothing's really going on up here. It's all focused there. What I don't want you to think about is the technique, I just want you to think of the action. If you think about the technique, your brain is going to be like, well, what am I supposed to be doing? Just think about the technique. So if it helps to have your candle in front of you, then have that. Otherwise, close your eyes and imagine that candle and off you go. Just get into the action of it. Just feel it, that repetition, and I'm going to start. Once you start, you'll start hear me joining in by saying exhale, exhale. We'll get a rhythm going together. Then you'll stop, then you'll hold your breath, and we'll repeat it 2 more times after that, okay? So just start on your own now. Excellent, you've got it. Exhale, exhale, hex, 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 hexhale, hex, 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 hexhale, hex, 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 hexhale, hex, 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 exhale. Completely squeeze the tummy muscles back, and then inhale, let go. Draw the breath in, and then exhale again completely. And now you're going to inhale to hold the breath and take the point of focus to the point just above the belly button. Hold your attention there. And then release, exhale, keep the spine straight, keep the body alert. Inhale deeply, good, and exhale. We're going to repeat that, keep the spine straight, and exhale, hex, 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 exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. And inhale to hold the breath. Take your attention now to your heart center, the middle of your chest. Just keep your attention there as you hold your breath. Relax the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. And now, final round. Inhale, get ready. And exhale. Hex, 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 exhale. Good. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale, hold the breath. Now take the point of focus up to the point between your eyebrows and hold your attention there. With control, exhale, relaxing those shoulders. And inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and return to your natural breathing. Just notice how you feel now, physically. Has anything changed? And emotionally, how you feel right at this moment. And then when you're ready, open your eyes. Good. Can you feel the stillness? It's very still and calm. Powerful. Yeah. The power we have together. That's the power of a circle, and the power of yoga, and the power of yogic breathing.